Laura here from Gardener Supply. Metal raised beds are all the rage right now. They're low maintenance and long lasting with great weather resistance. This metal raised bed is the perfect option for new gardeners and homeowners looking to transform their yard with flowers, herbs, veggies, whatever you want to grow. Made from durable, rust-resistant, powder-coated steel in a clean, modern look. It comes as a set of 2 metal raised beds so you can create an instant garden area. At 30 inches in height, these extra tall beds are perfect for no-bend gardening. The generous planting depth can accommodate nearly anything you'd want to grow in a raised bed. Large root crops, tomatoes, peppers, and any other high-yield veggies. Even small shrubs and deep-rooted berry bushes. Sturdy internal bracing prevents buckling and ensures each bed keeps its shape. The 2 beds can also be combined into 1 extra long bed to conveniently cover an empty wall or create an extended privacy barrier. Instantly transform your yard with this good-looking and high-yielding garden area with a set of 2 metal raised beds. Follow us for more garden tools and tips. Happy growing!